Pozdrav svima ljudi, dobrodošli nazad u SidePlays Imam Zanimljive. Danas ćemo igrati horror Minecraft mapu. Ok, ova mapa je previše strašna je, ali i previše dobra. Ok ljudi moji, znači dobra je mapa. Prvi put je igram. Samo ne znam gdje treba, aha ovdje nema, nije rules pravila, treba piše ovdje ko je napravio mapu. Ovdje. Aha, sad će im malo blokirati kako je pisalo. Evo, sad trebam... Aha, vidite gdje sam se stvarao. Ok, samo da se zahvalim još jednom mom drugu, znači dao mi je mapu. Znači toliko mu hvala, znači ja ne mogu da verujem, znači kralj i po, znači Ivan Milanović, znači mnogo hvala. Znači, mnogo hvala. Ok. Sada neki radio slušamo. Šta je ovo? Možda vi ne čujete to, ali ja čujem nešto da govore.
Jim. Okay, Jim, let's start, shall we? I want you to explain to me what happened on the night of the incident.
Šta je ovo?
You won't believe it. The other 5 therapists do. I'm not here to believe, Jim. I'm here to listen.
Nešto govore, ali ja ih ne čujem. Možda ih vi nećete li čujem.
It originated from when I was
Šta je ovo?
I was over 20.
Skroz sam riješio ovo, ne znaš kako.
It was 2:15 in the morning. I woke up. I could feel something watching me.
Ne!
Lightning struck near my windows.
Šta?
The silhouette of a man was projected across
Šta je
the
to?
room.
Ok, možda nešto ima košulu.
Got out of bed.
Ne, dobro.
My parents were
Dobro, to nećemo imati.
wrong about this.
Ok, možda li nešto ima?
That was made perfectly. Not a single crease.
Ok, ne zanima ove tišine. Idem ovdje.
So I went to investigate. All of the lights in
Moćne.
the house were off except mine.
Znači, strašno ima.
I was
Još
told
jednom
not
hvala
to
mom
reach the light
prijatelju.
switches yet.
Evo. Da nije možda iza, Ok, nije.
That was the moment I saw it.
Šta?
It scared me. It hit for less than a second and I haven't heard more horrifying screams since then.
Ok.
But with no words in my mind needing to describe what I
Ajde, čuvaj. Vidite mu televizor, plazni televizor. Pusti me da uđem, tako je.
So I turned to
Ajde,
the
ću
house
gledam.
to see
Čutite, nešto priču.
looking for clues as to where they were.
Jej! Šta je ovo? Ok, dobro, ovo mi malo smirilo.
The hallways were dark. It felt like something was breathing
Krv.
down the back of my neck.
Krv.
I entered the study. There was a small blood splatter on the floor. It was strange as there was nothing around to cut yourself up. It gave me the urge to check.
Bežimo od ovog mjesta, bežimo od
I
krva.
remembered the
Ok,
stairgate.
ovo ću preskočiti,
I
a
always used to
neće.
sneak downstairs at night to eat
Neće.
in the fridge. So my dad put in a stairgate and locked
Ovo
it
se
at
kupam.
night.
Ajde, dajte mi vodu, ajde. A vidi,
You
nema
won't
voda.
never go there.
A ovdje neće vidi. O, vidnit. Ok, možda će mi nešto poslužiti. Šta? Vidi, otvorena
I
vrata.
never liked the attic. It was dark. The light had been broken for years. Even my dad wouldn't want to go near spiders that big. I knew they hid the key in one of the chests somewhere.
Aha, ok, dobio sam
Spiders shouldn't have been
ključ.
like that.
Ajde, što ne mogu da izađem? Pogledajte,
I remember hearing a door slam.
čujem korake.
My parents weren't upstairs.
Možda i vi čujete, ali ja čujem 100%. Čekajte. Čujem nešto. čujem korake. Neko se približava. Neko se približava i to... Kako te izađemo odavde? Šta je ovo? Ne! Sve bliže i bliže dolazi. Ko je to? Ću pobegnem odavde. Beži! Nemoj sada! Mogu pobjeći! Beži odavde! Bežim odavde! Aha, znam, ključevi, idemo stavimo ono tamo. Znači gdje ključevi, znamo gdje stoje. Ok, ključevi, brzo ovdje stavimo. Brzo, 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 otvori se, beži. Ej sad. Ok, malo sam se smirio. Ljudi! Pa gdje ste ljudi? Ja, sve! Okay. Šta? Krv! Ne. Ne, mogu da pojačam. Možda ne čuje.
Tried to cry, I tried to scream, but I couldn't. My breath, my soul, nothing could escape my body, not even a tear. It was too much to take in. I heard a voice behind me. I couldn't take my eyes off my parents, but I knew I had to turn around. I had to see the thing that did this to them. I looked down the hallway, and there was nothing to be seen.
Samo se pomeri, ne mogu nigdje pomeriti, ne mogu kontrolirati šta je ovo.
Just darkness. As I moved further and further down the hallway, I thought,
Smiri se, nemoj da ideš.
A deranged nightmare?
Ne.
No, it can't be. I started to feel it again, breathing on the back of my neck.
Šta je ovo?
I froze. I couldn't move. I started to turn around. I couldn't control it. I just started turning. There was no noise, just silence and the darkness. Darkness was what scared me the most.
Što je s ovim?
Keeping me from shutting my eyes was the anticipation.
Malo pre smo izlazili iz ove kuće.
Even though I knew what was behind me.
Ne,
It let out a deafening
čuo sam nešto.
and then it disappeared again.
Ne mogu sad se pomeram.
Things came
A
back.
šta je s ovim?
Feel the pain again. I started to feel dizzy.
Ne, mogu to dati.
Darkness.
Ne.
A feeling of fear. Just the dark. I woke up with a sharp pain on the back of
Šta
my
je
head,
ovo?
surrounded by the police. I lived with my aunt from then on. Not even a month after I moved in with her, she sent me here. I don't blame her. Even I wouldn't have been able to put up with the screaming.
And that's where you punch the tape recorder.
Što?
So,
Kako sam malo pre mogu ti sjediti, bežim odavde?
Of course I believe it, Jim.
Ne.
It's a very interesting story.
Zamka je neka bila ovdje.
can I ask you
Ovo je
one
nešto
thing
bilo sigurno
about it?
čudno, ali...
Ask away, Jim.
Why did you come here?
Tralalala, znači ja sam u oblaku.
And you were the only one to come.
Ovdje malo više skače.
Ah, that's where this gets interesting.
Jej.
I want you to hear the story from your point of view.
Ok ljudi, mislim da je to za ovaj video. Ako vam se svideo, obavezno lajkujte
What do you mean by your point
ili
of view?
Well,
subscribeujte.
Jim, waiting outside your house for days on end, watching you and your parents.
Znači,
Rather
to je
boring,
bilo
right?
to, mislim da još nešto treba.
I've already said too much. I think it's time to, let's say, tie up loose ends.
Šta? Ne. Mislim da ovo nije bio kraj. Nemoj, ne mogu da dirati. Ne. Nemoj, stani. Ne. Dobro ljudi. Ok ljudi. Ako vam se svidio klip, obavezno lajkujte ili šarujte ili lajkujte i bacite koji komentar kako vam se svidio. Vidimo se u sljedećem klipu. Poz.